Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove DPI levels in Steelseries Aerox 3 wireless. And to do this we'll need to download Steelseries GG software on our PC. You can find it on their official website. Now go to the engine and click on your mouse. Here on the right you can find all of the DPI levels. By default it's set to 5 different levels. You can remove them with remove level. You can add new levels by clicking on the plus. There's also, I think, option, nope, it doesn't work here, so never mind. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment.